All right. Well, I really find it an awesome program, an awesome experience. Now, I have been attending a few of the leadership programs in the past, but I think this is really amazing. And the way Avinash, he delivered the entire content, I think it's really great. And I'm definitely going to refer a few of my colleagues and friends so that even they can benefit. And I'm really optimistic and looking forward to implement a lot of things that Avinash has mentioned and whatever I have learned here. So I really want to thank my niece Vandana, who actually guided me to go for this. So thank you so much, Avinash, and thanks, Vandana.
I've always been fascinated about law of attraction, subconscious mind, the power of it, positivity, how you can manifest things. But I've never been able to go ahead and employ it because I've not got any kind of a coaching. But what Avinash sir has told, the techniques that he has told, the ways you can go ahead and manifest it, the ways you can put positivity, that has been amazing. And now I've got perspective to go ahead and employ whatever I've learned before. And thanks to Guru Santosh Bhai for referring me here, and it's been a wonderful journey. And hopefully, I can implement the concepts and make it work for me.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.